Flashrouters, how to install PIA VPN on supported DD-WRT Flashrouters. Installing private internet access, PIA VPN on a supported DD-WRT flash router involves configuring the OpenVPN client built into the router firmware. Here's a detailed walkthrough to get you secured and surfing. Toolbox: what you'll need: a DD-WRT router with OpenVPN support, build version R42335 or newer is recommended. An active PIA VPN subscription, access to your router's admin panel. PIA OpenVPN configuration files. Step-by-step installation guide 1. Login and download PIA OpenVPN files, visit then sign in PIA support page. Download the OpenVPN configuration files, usually a .zip file, extract the files to your computer. You'll need .open, .crt, and .pem files too. Access your DD-WRT router, open a browser and go to 192.168.1.1, or your router's IP, log in with your admin credentials. 3. Enable OpenVPN client, navigate to Services VPN, under OpenVPN client, set Start OpenVPN client to enable. 4. Enter VPN configuration. Use the following settings: server IP/name, choose a PIA server, example uscalifornia.privacy.network. Port, 1198, or 1197 for TCP, tunnel device, TUN, tunnel protocol, UDP, or TCP if preferred, encryption cipher, AES-128 CBC, or AES-256 CBC for stronger encryption, hash algorithm, SHA-1, user pass authentication, enable. Enter your PIA username and password. Advanced options: enable, TLS cipher, none, LZO compression, adaptive, NAT, enable, firewall protection, enable, additional config, persist key, persist TUN TLS client, remote cert TLS server 5. Upload certificates: CA cert, paste contents of CA-CRT, public client cert, paste contents of CRDOF.CRT. If provided, private client key, paste contents of CRDOF.key. If provided. 6. Save and apply settings. Click Save, then Apply Settings. Navigate to Status OpenVPN to confirm connection. You should see connected success. Tips: use AES-128 for better speed, AES-256 for stronger encryption. If you're using a flash router with the Privacy app, setup is even easier via GUI. Always reboot the router after applying VPN settings.